Hello guys and gals, welcome to One Ahead of Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you guys like to check out other helpful tips and tricks on the Note 8, check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll show you guys several different ways on how to change your background or your lock screen, those types of things. So the first method I'm going to show you is if you are on your home page. This is how to change either the home page or the lock screen. Just go ahead and select it, press and hold, and you will get this with a long click. You will get this screen or screen very similar to this, bottom left hand corner, wallpapers and themes. Let's go ahead and select that. And from here, if you scroll over to where you see this plus button, you can go ahead and select that. And then so here are your options. There are a bunch of default photos that you could select from. There's also a from gallery option. If you select that, it'll take you to your gallery, and you're then able to select one of the photos that you have taken that are saved in your gallery. So let's just say I want to use default number 14. I'm just going to go ahead and select it. It gives me the option to set as the home screen, the lock screen, or both the home and lock screen. So for this purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and do just the lock screen. And then just going to go ahead and set that as the wallpaper applied to lock screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that was what the previous lock screen photo looked like. And here we go. This is what it has. I changed it to, and that's what it looks like now. So that's the first method of changing your background and your lock screen. The second one is by if you wanted to use a photo that's in your gallery. Let's just go in here. As you guys can see, I have two screenshots currently on my device that I used for a previous video. Let's say this is one of the photos that you've taken and you like it and you want to set that as your background or your lock screen. Right up here, if you select the photo, you will see the little options button. The three dots, if you go ahead and select that, the second option down is set as wallpaper. So we're just going to go ahead and select that. And here, once again, we get the same options, set as the home screen, set as the lock screen, or home and lock screens. And since this is such a noticeable difference, I'm just going to go ahead and set both of them to the home and lock screen. And so there's that. There's a motion effect. You can turn that on. If you rotate your device, that back screen, the background is going to kind of rotate with you. I personally don't like it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And once you have it set, you can go ahead and set whatever you want. If you just want, zoom in on the picture, a certain portion of that picture, whatever it is, you could set it. And once you got it set, you can set as wallpaper. And then the wallpaper has been to apply to the home and lock screen. So there it is, that same photo that I added. And let's just go ahead, go to the lock screen. And as you guys can see, the lock screen has the same photo. So that is how you change your background, your wallpaper, and your lock screen on the Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you guys know somebody that might need to see this, go ahead and share this with them. If you guys have any kind of comments, questions, or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.